I'm Naisha. I'm at my studio. It's located in Lumsawson. You can check out my work on Instagram at naisha.richmond and Facebook on just a little something to do with art. So come ahead and let's check out some of my work.
What's up guys and welcome back. So yeah, that is Naisha Richmond, and at the moment she's inside the studio while I'm outside taking a little bit of a fresh air because I don't want to disturb her work. She's drawing somebody. His name is Aaron, but nonetheless it's such an honor to have met her. I've seen her work. It's amazing. You guys, whoever is a tattoo freak, I must say you should visit her and give to the people who loves tattoo. This is the right place. And because why I'm saying is the right place, because she's a female and I want people to know that there is a female tattoo artist here in Shillong, and it's not a joke, but she's been doing a lot of artwork. She was in Calcutta, now she's back here in Shillong, and I would definitely say that she is the first female tattoo artist here in Shillong, and that too a Khasi. Proud to know that, and nonetheless I'm not gonna say much. Let's just go inside and check her work. So you guys stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Until then, hello everyone and welcome back. I'm here with Naisha, and you've seen what was going on here, and I don't have to say much, but I won't take much of your time anymore. I'm just going to go ahead and ask these important questions to Naisha, and the first question is that, you know, as a person, as a normal human being, we go to school, we know what we want to do, but it does not end there. It does not end as, like, you know, I don't pursue my science stream or my commerce stream, but I end up being somebody else. So the same thing could have happened to you. So why did you choose art and drawings instead of what you've been studying, let's say 12 years ago or 13 to 14 years ago? Why this?
Well, I always enjoyed art and sketching and painting, but I never really thought I'd get into tattoo.
Yeah.
It's not what I studied, but it's something I really enjoy, and so I ended up pursuing it altogether. So I think that's how it happened.
Yeah, so when it has to happen, it will happen. Don't ever put yourself in a way that, oh, this thing didn't happen. It's not us who decides those things. When it's yours, and when it's not yours, it's not yours. So yeah, The second question is that we all go through hardships during this journey. I for sure you would have gone through a lot of hardships and obstacles could have been there every day for you. But how did you manage to tackle those uh, situations, and how did you get here?
Well, at first, I think when I first started, there was a lot I had to go through, and a lot of people had a lot of things to say against what I was going into, because coming from a conservative society and being a female Khasi artist on top of that
Yeah.
was really difficult, and a lot of people had a lot to say. But I had my parents' support, and I was following my dreams, so I stuck by it. I did it, and I think I wouldn't have been able to do it if I didn't get my parents' support. Um, but it was difficult, no doubt. I mean, it took a lot of struggle for the last few years as well.
Yeah. But you didn't give up.
No.
She never gave up, and so did her parents. Her parents was very supportive. You're lucky to have such parents, and I hope that it does not end here.
Yeah.
I hope that you will grow more and more. And people, you've seen her work, so it's up to you guys, especially the tattoo freaks. Come on, help her out. Book some appointments and come to her. Anyway, so the third question is that there's been a lot of things that you might want to do as an entrepreneur, but can you say that this will make a living? That can make a living, or can you say to the people that this will take you somewhere else?
I think you have to work hard, like every other business or whatever you're into. You have to work hard to take it forward. It is going to be very difficult at first, and you're not going to see much progress in the very beginning. But I think if you really put your all into it, eventually after a while it pays up, in the long run. So you just have to stick by it, really.
Yeah.
Just work hard.
It will.
Yes.
So, nonetheless, we're not going to be talking too much because I know you guys are getting bored, but we had to do what we had to do. So, the final thing is that I usually do this in my vlogs, and the thing is that we motivate people. Like, there are some people who think that their life is at stake, they don't have anything to do, but, like you as an artist, you never thought that this would happen to you. But you came all the way and you're happy with what you're doing. So what is the message that you have to say to the people who think that their life is miserable, their life is hopeless? So can you just tell them that there is something that we can do with our life?
I think if you find something that you're happy doing or you're passionate about, just find it and you stick to it. You work hard and don't listen to anybody else, and just work on what you love to
Right.
do. And there's nothing more worth it, because if you wake up in the morning and you're excited to go to work, I mean, that makes everything so much better. So just stick by it. Go with your passion.
You heard it all, people. So yeah, that's about it, and I hope that you've enjoyed what you've seen, and I have nothing to say, but her work is really amazing. She's really talented, and do not misuse your talent. Always use for the right things, and eventually you'll get there. So without being said, she have mentioned her Instagram profile, her Facebook, her location, where the studio is at, and I hope that you guys will, like I said, book some appointments, especially for the tattoo freaks. And we're really proud to have a female artist, a tattoo artist, and that to a Khasi. So congratulations, and I hope that you will grow and grow and you will succeed.
Thank you.
So guys, that's it for today. Never give up on your dreams. There's a lot of room, and just keep working hard. Life is beautiful. You just don't know yet. So